In Presentation 8, we will discuss business and demographics in SAS JMP and the importance of customer preferences for a business's success. We will analyze two different data sets, conduct tests, and analyze the results. A demographic is a statistical view of a population. A few examples of demographic variables include age, gender, income, schooling, and occupation. These can all be analyzed by collecting data and analyzing a population. The data collected on these variables hold important clues to consumer behavior. Demographic business analysis is an important tool for a business's marketing. For example, understanding the demographic of customers helps a company to target the customers correctly. This is critical for the success of a business. Once data is collected based on certain attributes of a customer, such as age, gender, and occupation, tests can be performed and a business can determine the best way to produce a product and the best way to market their customers. In JMP, we can see that there are many different data sets that can be used for business and demographic, and there are various different tests that can be performed.
Using the sample data companies, we will use fit Y by X in order to determine the correlation of the attributes of the companies in the given data. After analyzing the data, we will see that the larger the company, the greater the profit and sales of the company. We are also able to determine that there is an extremely high correlation between sales and profit. By choosing fit Y by X in both continuous variables as X and Y, we are able to determine the correlation between two variables using a bivariate analysis. After fitting a line, we are able to determine the R squared and therefore the correlation between the variables. By once again choosing fit Y by X in a categorical variable and continuous variable, we are able to perform an ANOVA test to determine the variance between each of the sizes of the companies. Using matched pairs, we will be able to identify the difference in the labor force participation rate by women in 19 different U.S. cities in 1972 and 1968. It is highly important to use matched pairs during this test due to the fact that it allows for comparison between the individual city rather than a comparison of all cities combined. These demographics are significant to exemplify the diversity of gender in the workforce. To perform this test, we use analyze, matched pairs, and choose two numeric data points.